In this video, I must tell you what you should do to make 2026 a better year. You know you have made 2025, it wasn't a good year. You had difficulties in mindsets. You were using a lot of mindsets, and also you didn't have goals that you had set for the year. That's how the year went. So I want us to plan for the next year, 2026, because this year is finally done. I think you hear English, you can listen to English to what I'm speaking. So first and foremost, you need to set healthy goals. Yeah, you need to set healthy goals. Healthy goals, what I mean by healthy goals is, if in 2025 you were not going to the gym, make sure that in 2026 you start hitting the gym. That is the first change that we need to do to make 2026 a better year. Going in the gym is not all about building the body, but it's also about being consistent. It's about improving confidence. It's about feeling stronger. It is not only about just going to the gym. Going to the gym contributes in many aspects of life. So that's what I'm telling you. Next year, 2025, hit the gym. Try the best to hit the gym more and more. So we need to make 2026 the best year, and we need to start making it starting with this month, December, before it ends. So that's the first thing, go to the gym. So the second thing that we need to change when we're in 2026 is we need to leave junk food. Junk food. What do I mean by saying junk food? Things that make you fat. We need to stop them. We need to leave that junk food. We need to eat more healthier, because next year we need to live a happier life. And living a happier life, you need to eat healthier. Throw away junk food. Throw away junk food, because it's getting to a new year, and you must be the new you. Yeah. The third is we need to set New Year's revelation. New Year's. The old New Year's what? Revelation. Yeah, I forgot the name, but I forgot the name. Let me see. Okay, this New Year's resolution. You need to set the New Year's resolution. What do I mean by New Year's resolution? For example, you can say, this year I will start waking up early. 26, you'll be waking up early. You'll be waking up super early. You'll be so early. That's what I mean by New Year's resolution. You said 26, you'll be waking up super early. Yeah. That's what I mean by New Year's resolution. Resolution, not revolution. So lastly, so far I've given you three things. Lastly is, don't start the year without setting goals. You need goals for the year. This year, you need to set goals. Next year, set goals. Yeah, you need goals. So that's it for today. This channel is all about self-improvement, and please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down, see in more videos. I think I'll be making more videos for this channel. And please guys, I sign out. My name is Ibrahim, and I sign out. Stay strong guys, stay strong. Begin the year with a right mindset. Begin the year with a right mindset. Don't begin the year with a wrong mindset, guys. Start the year with the correct mindset. This video will be not edited. See you in the next video. Goodbye.